At Gaggenau, we go to extraordinary lengths to ensure our individual cooktops deliver perfection, and the Gaggenau full-surface induction cooktop is unlike any other. With up to 90 centimeters of limitless creative space, the entire area becomes your cooking zone, which means wherever you position the pan, that is where it will cook. It's the best in performance, design and technology, and allows you to freely position up to 6 pots anywhere on the cooking surface. Intuitive, versatile and responsive, the full-surface cooktop automatically detects your pots, and when you move them around, your selected heat and timer settings simply follow. The TFT touch display offers easy power level adjustments, timing information and access to specialist cooking functions. Easily scroll through the 17 power levels or choose the dynamic cooking function, which allows the cooktop to be divided into 3 heating zones, with boiling in front, simmering in the middle and warming in the back. Available with a 3mm stainless steel frame for flush or proud mounted installation, this cooktop can be combined with the modular Vario cooktops to create a cohesive and bespoke workspace. Or, for the ultimate in minimalism, the 90 cm frameless cooktop seamlessly blends into the kitchen space, thanks to its ultra-flush installation. With its beautiful black glass design and near-invisible printing, the Gaggenau full-surface induction cooktop offers freedom and flexibility to create your masterpieces.